Are you ready to take your coffee experience to new heights? Dalgona Coffee is the ultimate treat. This light, frothy delight has taken the internet by storm, and now it's your chance to create it. Gather just 3 easy ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Measure out equal parts. 2 tablespoons of each should do the trick. Let's get started. Whip it up with enthusiasm. A whisk will work, but a hand mixer will elevate it to cloud-like perfection. Keep mixing until it's airy and fluffy, resembling whipped cream. Watch in amazement as it transforms into a creamy cloud right before your eyes. Now choose your favorite milk, whether it's steaming hot or refreshingly cold. Spoon that rich coffee mixture on top and marvel as it floats like a dreamy layer. Give it a gentle stir, and just like that, you've created a cafe-quality drink right in your own kitchen. The excitement of crafting this delicious beverage is simply incredible. Share your Dalgona creations in the comments below. Did you add your unique twist? We can't wait to hear. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy brewing! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 coffee lover.